video was just interrupted by a phone call, so I'm going to continue here. So we just saw this bathroom, which is located right off of the living area. There's the living area. And then here's the bedroom, which is also located on the entry level. So you have these 2 bedrooms and 2 baths on the entry level, kitchen and main living on the same level, which is also driveway, garage access. Okay, so here's the front door. Here's the great room again, just orienting you here. And then now we're gonna go downstairs and see the rest of the house. So there's some stairs that come down to access this area, I assume through this door. And then you've got a large laundry area here. Well, I guess I shouldn't say large, standard size, but it does have a sink, which is nice. Some cabinetry, convenient. And then this looks like one of those hurricane machines. But a good usable shower, and there are 2 suites down here, so this bathroom is not, doesn't get hit that hard for that shower. So here's this downstairs living area, which is really cool. Nice size. I think you could wrap that with pine and make it look really good. Just one little accent in the middle. Gas stove, big views. Let's give you a sense of these views here. There really are great views from everywhere here. And then just a little deck. You can put a little bit of furniture out there. And then glass instead of railings, of course, which is nice because that view does continue downward. You see some houses there and whatnot, but it is pretty to be able to look down like that. Especially when the houses are far away, which they are in this case. Okay, so we'll go over this way. Look at this. Nice work. More storage here. So here is one of the 2 downstairs bedroom suites. This is a lake view. There's the hot tub. Sorry, I didn't show you that before. So you can see how the deck grows as it comes over this way. And then you've got this covered hot tub with the drip protection from above. Whoops, looks like I didn't hit this light. Sorry about that. Oh no, I did. It's an energy saver. There we go. So that's ensuite bathroom, or bed and bath downstairs. And then good sized sauna. Big workshop here. This is full ceiling height. This is at least 8 feet. And a very large space. One step down, and then 1 step up. And so here we've got a bunk room. Sorry, I didn't get this light. So bunk room here. They're unique bunks. I haven't seen these before, but these look like these are all queens. Or at least queens on the bottom. Fulls up top, it looks like. So nice bunk room there. Totally appropriate for being off of this game room. And then the second downstairs suite, or 3rd lakeview suite in the house. That same sugar pine right in the middle of the frame is prominent in the views from this house, and I love that. It's a great tree. It's a beautiful one. And so here's this bathroom here. And so I think we've seen everything. 560 Nightingale Road. Thanks again for visiting the Big Blue Lake channel on YouTube. Feel free to reach out with any questions or to come see this house in person.